So this is project one, the student grade book project. As you can see, we now have a fully functioning website with a login feature for both students and teachers. So right now, here's our home page. You can go to the home page. The other thing you can do is go to the Bennu website from here. Just a little extra, just miscellaneous stuff. So we'll look at the student login first. So with student login, you can log in as a student. I'll just pull a student's account info to log in with. Able to log in, see what courses you're enrolled in. So CS1, this stands for like economics one, current grade. I can sign out of my account. That works fine. And then log back in. I can reset my password. So current, put a new password as password 123 3. Right now it's password 117. But once that gets submitted, it works. It logs you out back to the login screen. As you can see, the password is now password 123 as was submitted. So we'll log back in. So now everything works perfectly. You can reset passwords, sign out, you can check your grades, and then we'll take a look at the teacher login. So we can go back to home, teacher login. So we'll log in now as a teacher. Okay, so I can now log in as a teacher. And as a teacher, you can see all the student IDs and the courses that they're enrolled in. And as a teacher, you can update the grade. So let's say student one, which was Miss Mary Brown, who we signed in earlier as. So I can update her grade to whichever. Say update this as well. Submit. Now that will reflect her grade is here, but also in the database. You'll see that her grades also reflect what was submitted. So 89 and 90. And then we can do the same for any student. So and the teachers can log in, see the table of all the students that are currently enrolled. So that would be all these students that are enrolled in classes and their grades. These are all our current students, each with a student ID, total of 5 students. And then teachers can sign in. So if I want, I can sign in as I guess let's sign in as a different student just to see. So Bill is currently enrolled in just literature 01. That's his current grade in the class. I can still reset my password if I want. If I don't want to or accidentally click on it, just press cancel, brings you right back. So then I'll just sign out of this and sign into, say, a different teacher. So I can sign in as a different teacher, update another student's grades. That gets changed in the database. So changed it to 95. Reflected in here as well. And then As a teacher, I can also reset my password. Current password for this teacher is 39. So let's change that to 204. 204. Logs the teacher out. Password is now 204. So then just log back in. And there you go. So reset password, sign out, that works. Update student grades, sign in as multiple different teachers. So let's sign out, go back to the home page. So we use PHP code and I use XAMPP for this. So I use Apache MySQL and created the database on here. So have accounts on here. Admin account can go on. So basically the admin operates currently through like the PHP MyAdmin to add classes. So if I wanted to add and delete courses, I could delete a course, add a course, just add a title, a course code. And then records, just hold the records of all the current students that enrolled in a class, their current grade, have all the students in the database, all the teachers in the database. And then different PHP files. So we have, let's start with like say login. So there's a login student file, all the different things that you can view as a student. So basically able to select course code, grade from students. So basically it just shows, this is where we are able to display the grade for the student in whatever course they're enrolled in. Some students are currently enrolled in one class, others in multiple classes. So we're able to see that. Then there's the HTML for all that. And it's the same thing with login teacher, but now as a teacher, you're able to see all the students. So all, selecting all from the records, you're able to see all students' records, and then able to just update them, enter new grades, etc. And welcome teacher, welcome student. So these are connected to their login forms and are basically the splash pages, welcoming and all that. Same thing with here. And then here's the script form and update form for updating student grades and such. So that's what allows us to functionally update student grades. And then reset password. So these are just connected. These are all both linked. So reset password, student, teacher, both linked to the student login, student, teacher. And then our config, connect to the database from the website. And then our index. And for CS, for style CS, so this is how we're part of how we're stylizing everything. And aside from that main menu, that's basically it for the website. So website functions pretty well, and can check grades as a student, update grades as a teacher, enter them. And that is it for the gradebook project. And yeah, thank you.